Elementary Guided Research. Brought to you by Ask a School Librarian. Research begins with a topic. A topic is something you want to investigate. What do you already know about the topic? What do you want to know about the topic? You will research facts about a topic. A fact is something you can prove to be true. First, get your questions ready. A question is an inquiry. An inquiry begins with a question word. Question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how. So what do you want to know about the topic? Here are some examples of an inquiry question. Who wrote the Constitution? What are some kinds of sharks? When was the Constitution signed? Where do lions live? Why is Ben Franklin famous? How hot is the sun? Next, choose your sources. A source has facts. A book is a source. A magazine is a source. A website is a source. An interview is a source. An image is a source. Make sure your sources pass the Turing test. T is for trustee. Who is the author? Is the author an expert? U is for useful. Does it have facts to answer your questions? R is for right. Is it correct? Is the information true? N is for new. Is it new? What is the date it was published? Then take notes. To take notes is to write down important information in your own words. Write down facts as you find them. Fact: Ben Franklin helped to write the Constitution. Be sure to cite the source of the fact. To cite the source is to jot down the title and the author. Source: We the People by Peter Speyer. Finally, answer your inquiry. One reason that Benjamin Franklin is famous is because he helped to write the Constitution. You will know you are successful when you have answered all of your questions. Now you know how to research facts about a topic. Thank you for watching.